The Ghana Investment Fund for Electronic Communication, GIFEC, says the government will cover all communities in the country with mobile broadband connectivity. The project will be a collaboration with telecommunication operators in the country.
By 2017, about 1,020 communities in Ghana were without mobile broadband signals. This, according to research, is due to difficult topological conditions, absence of reliable electricity supply, and severe climatic conditions that make critical demands on equipment supplied, among others. In some communities in parts of the country, it is a chore to get a decent signal, to connect to make a call, let alone get connected to the internet. In some cases, a customer has to climb a tree to get a clear signal to place a call. To ensure uninterrupted connectivity, the government tasked the Ghana Investment Fund for Electronic Communication to take a critical look at ICT and other communication-related issues. GIFEC, from the onset of its Universal Access to Telephony program, extended coverage of mobile telephone services to the very remote areas through the Rural Telephony Project, RTP, in close collaboration with mobile network operators, MNO. The administrator of GIFEC, Mr. Abraham Kofi Asante, said about 900 communities had been covered so far through the deployment of the new technology, with a goal of constructing 200 more RTP sites by the end of the year.
Community Information Centers is the ICT center version, which GIFEC has christened as Community Information, to give an all-encompassing information that is needed by every community or every society. We give information for farmers, for traders, for school children, for artisans. You can go there to get that information by digital means.
Mr. Kofi Asante said GIFEC has been working on a project called GIFEC Satellite Hub to provide points of presence in underserved and unserved communities through the installation of VSAT satellite hubs.
GIFEC is very much aware that for us to talk about digitization, we need to have the skill set, the critical mass of persons who are well skilled, so that they can take advantage of providing solutions to the challenges that we have. If a nation wants to build its economy, that economy rests in the human capital that it is able to develop. And therefore, we want to imbibe this kind of skill within the kids, so that by the time that they grow, they will be savvy in computer and computer literacy.
So far, 819 educational institutions have received computers, printers, scanners, and projectors. Management of GIFEC says an additional 120 basic schools would be equipped with ICT laboratories by the end of this year. Beatrice Sanaju, GBC 24, Accra.